I've made over my desk many times over the years, but in this video, for the first time ever, I'll be surprising one of my subscribers with a desk makeover of her very own. This is Rumi, and this is her current desk.
So this is the before desk.
And this is her current bedroom. Rumi was staying with her aunt for the weekend, so Rumi's mom and I literally had less than 24 hours to give her desk and room a makeover before she got back from her aunt's house. This desk makeover was one of the hardest things I've ever done on my channel, as there were challenges, mistakes made.
We have our first problem. Oh no! What do I do?
A tsundere cat who refused to like me.
Does not like me. I know, he hates me.
A long night as we ended up staying awake until like 3 in the morning assembling furniture and crashing out from exhaustion.
Yeah, my young abuela.
A ton of new accessories and items to unbox and set up. And we did all of that work only for Rumi not to like it. Anywho, the first step was obviously driving and transporting everything over to Rumi's apartment, and we literally barely made it before it started to rain cats and dogs. And speaking of cats, this was when I first met Maxie, Rumi's cat, who did not like me from the beginning at all.
My nails? They're special. Oh!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
But I was determined to win him over the next couple of days. So the first order of business was assembling the desk, which I thought would be pretty fast and easy given the description on Amazon, but I pretty quickly realized it was going to be a lot more complicated than I thought.
Oh no! This looks like a dictionary thick when it comes to nails. This is a lot.
So let's just say the setup was pretty chaotic at times.
Wait, what? Wait, no. That can't be right. What? Wait, what? Where are you? We have our first problem of probably many. The thingy here won't work when we try to screw it in, so we're trying to figure out what to do. Okay, the final step is the lights. Oh, yay! Okay, it works. Thank goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god! Wait, hold up. Wait, it was pink in the picture. I'm showing the picture right now. We have been robbed.
At this point, we were starting to get very worried because it was already dinner time and we had literally only just finished the desk.
Okay, it's time for the chair.
So next it was time to assemble the cat gaming chair, which we thought would be quick and easy, but unfortunately it also took way longer than we expected due to technical difficulties with one of the screws that refused to go in. And as the night progressed and we grew more and more tired, let's just say I gradually lost my sanity.
Oh! Oh! You got it? Oh! I think I got it. I think I did something. Oh! What's that? Yes. Oh, wait. Yeah. Wait. Okay. See? Oh, it's not so okay. Yeah, my young abuela. So it's ready. So I'm gonna test it out now. Climb all the way down and up. It's a pretty cool shape. Oh my god, it just keeps going. Wait, it spins a lot. It works!
And so now for my favorite part, which is of course unboxing and setting up all the accessories. I spent hours and hours discussing with Rumi's mom and asking her what she thought Rumi would like, and since Rumi loves cats in all colors, but mainly pink, I went all out with the cat theme. We finished unboxing that night, and then it was time to head home to get some sleep so I could frantically decorate the desk the next day before Rumi arrives. Okay, so now it's the next day, and I'm mildly panicking because I literally have only 6 hours left before Rumi arrives to decide where and how I want to set up all the decorations and accessories. I started out with the pegboard, which was a bit of a challenge, but luckily after that it was pretty smooth sailing. And so now for your guys' favorite part, which is ASMR desk decorating. So I'm gonna pause the desk makeover right here really quickly because as you can see here, I just snuck a paper-like cleaning kit into Rumi's desk organizer since it is time for a surprise iPad makeover, all courtesy of the sponsor of today's video, Paperlike, which I have been personally using for my iPad for over 5 years. Okay, so the reason I love Paperlike screen protector so much is because it gives you the feel of premium paper when you're writing or drawing on your iPad without reducing screen clarity. So yeah, the Paperlike 2.1 luckily comes with an easy-to-use installation kit and video guide with step-by-step instructions for a bubble-free application experience, and the screen protector is also anti-glare, which is perfect for Rumi since she plays a lot of Roblox on her iPad. So even with the screen protector on, there's still great display clarity with minimal refraction and glare, ensuring that your iPad screen stays sharp and vibrant, unlike traditional matte protectors that blur visuals. Paperlike also has screen protectors for all current and recent iPad models, such as my 2024 iPad Pro or Rumi's iPad 9th generation, so Paperlike is accessible to all iPad users. And most importantly, each pack comes with not one, but 2 screen protectors, and in my personal experience, they can last you at least a year. I also highly recommend checking out Paperlike's refillable cleaning kit as it'll keep your iPad screen mean, lean, and pristine. Be sure to use the link in my description and check out the kit, grips, tips, protector. But yeah, a huge thanks to Paperlike for sponsoring this video since they made this whole surprise desk and iPad makeover possible, and again, be sure to check out the link in the description box.
Okay, and now I put this up here. Okay, the last thingy.
Okay, so now it was time for the surprise reveal, and I have never done this before, so I honestly did not know what to expect or even say or do, so I literally just winged the whole thing. Rumi's mom warned me she might be a little shy in the beginning and we could refilm Rumi's reaction if it wasn't excited enough, but I wanted to keep her genuine reaction and not fake it for the video, even if she ultimately didn't like it.
Oh, good.
Surprise!
Whoa.
Yeah, we spent the whole day yesterday and today making everything.
This is awesome.
We stayed up until 2 in the morning last night, and then I came back in the morning. Okay guys, so at this point I honestly straight up thought it was over. I thought she was completely unimpressed and hated the whole thing, but plot twist, as you guys will see, it turns out that Rumi is actually one of the calmest and most polite and sweetest girls that I have ever met. Plus, she was just genuinely a little shy in the beginning since she's only seen me like once in her life before, but thankfully our efforts paid off and she actually loved everything.
So it has cat, awesome. Yeah, so you can sit down and you can try it out.
Overall, my reaction is that this is amazing glow up from my bedroom, from the desk just using to be like a little tiny area where like barely could happen, and then just like wrote there, did homework there, or drew, to a whole like gaming setup and stuff.
So yeah, a huge thank you and shout out to Ryu, like a round of applause, because without her, I definitely could not have pulled any of this off. And also thank you guys so much for watching my videos, since you guys are the reason I was even able to do this. I've gotta say though, I think this is by far one of my favorite videos I've ever made. I loved hanging out with Ryu and with Rumi after the desk makeover was over. I do love doing desk makeovers for myself, but honestly, I would much rather do it for someone else who genuinely needs or wants one. I'll also open a Google form so you guys can apply to be the next desk makeover subscriber I visit. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and enjoy the very chaotic bloopers. I'm bribing him to love me.
Oh my, wait, that is a perfect angle. Look at his
Alright, this is the desk. You can't really see much, but
trip and fall.
why? There's my cat.
Oh.
He's like being in the underground. Ugh. I'm gonna die.
Oh, don't do that.
Here's the beautiful landscape. The TV. The door.
Oh, the hot guy. I'm assuming because of the magic glow around.
What is wrong with you?
What the fuck? He's glowing! Look at him! I've never watched this movie. I'm just assuming he's supposed to be the super hot guy because there's a glow.
And then he dies at the end. He dies at the end. Yeah.
Oh my, what is happening? Oh, what is her face?
Yeah, I don't know what's happening.
Oh my god.
I don't know what's happening.
Dude, why are you not helping her? What is wrong with you? Sir, where are your manners?
No, look. Look.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
No.
Emotional
What is
damage.
wrong with